Hey, welcome back. So I'm gonna start on the 1976 Vega Funny Car by AMT, and this one should be pretty cool when it's done. Here's the body, everything that comes in the package. It looks pretty good. A piece of the frame here. All the decals. There's quite a bit with this one. Then we have parts to make the car custom, a spoiler, bottom part of the front bumper, back window inserts, all the funny car pieces for the roll cage, everything like that, the floor pan, steering wheel, ladder bars, a seat, a parachute. Looks like calipers right here. And not sure what all the curved pieces are, but the engine block, the intake, valve covers, belts, oil pan. Then we got a lot of chrome too. The bumpers, a grill, timing cover, valve covers, the blower, another sheet of chrome. Looks like a drive shaft, the rear end, suspension, the wheels, some trim rings. Then we have the skinny tires for the front, and we have slicks for the back. They just say Race Master on them. They look nice though. We have the front and the back window, and then the hood scoop right there. Not sure why it's clear in the package though, but it can be painted. And then we have the side windows that are supposed to be like Lexian glass with the little dots around them. So hopefully I can get this one done pretty quick. The body looks fairly good other than that mold line right there. So, and I will update when it's done. Thanks for watching.